Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is cause and effect plus shutdown matrix for a compressor train, covering ASC, API 670, lube oil system, and seal gas. We'll walk through all the components step by step, just like you would review them on a real project. Tag dictionary. First, the tag dictionary. Here you'll capture all your key signals: API 670 probes, lube oil pressure and level, seal gas differential pressure, recycle and blow-off valves, MOVs, and the trip relay. Set points. Next, the set points. Here you define your alert versus trip limits, along with delays and deadbands. Start permissives. Then we set up start permissives: lube oil pressure at or above minimum, oil level healthy, seal gas differential pressure okay, recycle valve feedback open, API 670 health check, and anti-surge controller health. C&E matrix. Now comes the cause and effect matrix. This maps causes directly to actions. For example, trip the driver, force the recycle valve open the blow-off valve, isolate and depress seal gas, start the DC oil pump, close moves, depressurize the unit, and of course, log alarms. Logic narratives. Next is logic narratives for start, normal stop, and trip blackout conditions. These tell the story of how the system behaves during each phase. Bypass register. Then we have the bypass register. This records governance, duration, and compensating measures whenever a safety function is bypassed. Proof test scripts. Next up, proof test scripts. These cover safety instrumented functions like vibration 203, lube oil low level, seal gas differential pressure, and fire and gas signals such as A3 or flame detection. Trip timing log. Then the trip timing log. This auto-calculates valve stroke times and the total trip time. ILD snippets. And finally, ILD snippets. Here you'll capture anti-surge assist logic, vibration 203, and the trip logic for both lube oil and seal gas. Learning theory. What must be in a compressor cause and effect? Machine protection per API 670, vibration danger on 203 voting, axial position danger, both leading to a hard trip. Seal gas integrity per API 692, differential pressure low triggers a trip and seal system isolate plus depress. Lube oil system, low header pressure or low tank level causes a trip and starts the DC pump, with recycle forced open. Anti-surge integration. On any trip, recycle valve opens, blow-off valve opens, moves close, and the unit depresses if required. Fire and gas tie-ins. Gas A3 on 203 or flame on 1 new N connect into ESD1 or ESD2 with the same trip actions. Start-stop trip narratives. During start, keep recycle 100% open until flow is above minimum and surge margin is okay. Trips are only enabled after warm-up. During stop, open the recycle, unload, and slow down, while keeping seal gas supplied until settle out. During trip or blackout, de-energize the driver, recycle fail open, blow-off valve open, DC pump start, seal gas isolate and depress, and moves close, alarms and logs triggered. Tiny checks. Some tiny checks to remember. Driver trip command within 0.3 seconds. Recycle valve reaches 90% within 1 second. Vibration trip logic uses 203 voting. Seal gas rule, barrier pressure always higher than process, otherwise isolate and depress. Mini quiz. Now let's check your understanding. 1. On a vibration danger 203, what 4 immediate effects do you expect in the C&E? 2. Why do we force recycle fail open even after the driver trips? 3. What 2 events in the lube oil system should start the DC pump automatically? 4. For seal gas LP low, what 2 additional actions happen beyond tripping the driver? 5. Where should FNG A3 or flame detection connect in your C&E levels? Practical task. Here's your hands-on task. Open the tag dictionary and replace the sample tags with your real project tags. In set points, enter actual alert and trip values with delays. Add or modify causes in the C&E matrix like seal gas panel heater fail or instrument air fail. Write your start, stop, and trip narratives in the Logic Narratives tab. And finally, pick one CIF, like Vibration 203, walk through the proof test script, and capture times in the trip timing log. Interview Q&A. Before we wrap up, here are some tight interview Q&A points. Q. How do you avoid a surge event during a trip? A. Use fail open recycle. Command recycle 100% open on trip and open blow-off valve with movies kept closed. Why 203 on API 670 danger? For high integrity and spurious trip immunity, any 2 channels indicating danger will trip. What proves seal gas health? A. Differential pressure above minimum. If it drops, barrier is not positive, trip and isolate plus depress. Q. What goes in a start permissive pack? A. Lube oil pressure and level, seal gas delta P, recycle fail open, API 670, okay, and ASC okay. Q. How do you document bypasses safely? A. In the bypass register, with approval, maximum duration, risk controls, compensating measures, and a visible alarm while active. And that's the cause and effect plus shutdown matrix for a compressor train. If you found this useful, make sure to like this video, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dive engineering tutorials. See you in the next one.